Hello, I'm Lucy Edwards with VHT Studios, where image is everything. Today we'll be talking about professional marketing strategy for every property. Photography is a given, so what's next? Floor plans. Floor plan and interactive floor plan tour. It's a psychological marketing tool that is ideal for the buyer. They go through open houses, they go through various showings, they're getting confused, they think they love that kitchen, they think they love that bedroom. In real life, nothing belongs to the house that they really liked. As a result, it will be great for them to have an interactive floor plan tour. So we go in, we put hot spots on the floor plan with photos accordingly, so when the buyer goes through all those open houses and they get back home, they can review the property and fall in love with it. What's the benefit for the seller? They don't have to prepare the house for showing every time you think you might have a buyer. Make your competition jealous. Invest in intelligent marketing strategy for every property and invest in floor plans. To learn how to close more deals and get more sales, go to vht.com/learn and download a marketing plan for your next listing presentation. Cheers!